My name is Adiwolu Olayemi, so I'll be walking you through the process of installing your website under your local WP installation. So I believe you must have installed your local WP on your laptop. So an easier way for you to get the software is by looking out for a shortcode on your desktop or simply using your Windows search to search for local WP. So once you do that, you have it opened up on your screen like mine. So the first thing you do is you click on create a new website. So here I'll type the name of my website. So I'll call it stylehostingacademy.com. So do well, you don't need to do anything on the advanced options. You can leave it the way it is, then you click on continue. So here you select the preferred option, continue, then here is where you insert your WordPress user and username, that's your admin name, and your admin password. So for my own name here, I'll simply type in this as my own admin username, and the password will be this. So I can decide to make it visible so I'll see what I'm typing. So let me just use this. Good. So you do well to copy it up. So while installing WordPress, either on your local server or on your online server, which is your cPanel, do well to always have a notepad open so you can save your passwords. So in order for me to do that, I can simply come to my desktop, um, create a text pad and call it passwords, web hosting passwords. So you don't need to you don't need to cram any password on your head anymore. So do well to link or to sync this file with your Google Drive or your Dropbox. So this is how you do it. So the name of this website is lhacademy.com. So username, which I used, was this, and the password was this. So this is how I'll continue to do it for every website I install. So you can simply save it. So let's go back. So what I've done, that's on the email aspect, make sure you use your original email address, your live email. So and do well to always use one single email for all your installations. I believe why when we get to the process of installing on a live server, we would explain better on this. So this is basically if you need to reset your password, you need to get notifications, your website has been hacked. This is where the email will drop. So make sure you have one single email for all installations. So the next thing to do is you click on add site. So all things being equal, in about some few minutes, you should have your WordPress installed locally on your PC. So let's wait. So you have pop-ups like this. Please click on allow access because your PC is serving as the server now. So you click on yes. Just allow access for any prompts you receive. So now you need internet on this phase because the local WP software will need to connect with the online server to download WordPress for you. So that is what it's doing at the moment. So it's adding WordPress now. So if you have a good network, you should be fine. But if this installation fails, then you need to check your network. So let's wait. So now it's installing WordPress. So the first step was it downloaded the first software, then it unpacked it, now it's installing. So the installation is done. So we are good now. So you can see now that I have successfully installed my WordPress on a local server. Now this is useful in cases whereby you don't have access to internet at how do I put it? you have access to internet, but it's not going to be for long. So let's say you have access to good internet for maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So you can develop a website with that offline. So when you now get to an area where you have full internet access, then you can now move it online. We'll still get to the aspect of how to move a website you have developed from this local WP online. So with this process, you don't need internet. You only need internet while installing. So once you're done installing, there is no need for internet anymore. So you can see the button here that says go to my admin. This is admin and this is to open the website. So let me open the website so you see what the website looks like. So this is my website now installed locally. So you can see it, my domain.com.local. So that means I'm on a local server. While if I need to access my admin, you just click on this. So you see I've been brought to the admin page. So either you click on that button or you still do, you type in your domain.com /WP admin. So that's the default link for your admin link under your WordPress installation. So once I do this, to bring me to this same page back. So you see, we're on the same page now. So here, all I need to do is just go back to this place and copy I know my username, I'll just go back and copy my password. So username is this, and my password is this. So I can do well to tell the browser to remember me next time when I try to log in. So please click on login. I'll save this. So my browser is trying to log me. So awesome. So now I'm perfectly logged into my WordPress, and you can see that I have everything installed. So the next thing you need to do here is first, there are some default plugins that may come with the installation that you may not need. So let's go to plugins. Okay, good. So there are no plugins, but on the live environment, when we get to the live installation of WordPress, some plugins will come with it that you may not need depending on the hosting server you are using. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next lesson.